Should you use a revocable trust or an irrevocable trust? That is a great question. And the answer really depends on what are your goals. Revocable living trusts are trusts that are used for folks who want to maintain total control and total access to their assets, but they want to do good planning for their families and avoid probate and put in, if this happens, then that happens, and really do a detailed estate plan. Revocable living trusts are used to create plans with a lot of detail, a lot of contingencies, while avoiding the probate court. Irrevocable trusts do a lot of the same things. The reason most people move on to use an irrevocable trust instead of a revocable trust is that they're trying to protect assets, protect their savings, protect their homes from issues like either taxes or the nursing home or some other creditor issue. So it really depends upon what your goals are. But if you, like most of our clients, are concerned about protecting assets from long-term care expenses, an irrevocable trust is the only one that's going to do that for you. I hope you found this video helpful.
If you found this information helpful, and if you'd like to know more about this and other legal issues, you should consider attending one of our upcoming estate and elder law workshops, which are free and give you all types of good information. Go to our website, click the link, and schedule today for one of our upcoming workshops.